Greetings from Strip-Till Farmer Headquarters. Noah Newman here with a big announcement. The National Strip-Tillage Conference program is officially out. You can download it at striptillconference.com. We have an action-packed agenda set for you August 6th through 7th in Springfield, Illinois. Gets underway with a special pre-conference workshop, a short drive from the conference hotel, the Bayer Crop Research Farm in New Berlin, Illinois, and then general sessions get underway Thursday, August 6th. The one and only Brian Hefty, Dean Sponheim, and many more. Again, download the full program at striptillconference.com. We would love to see you there in the capital city of Illinois. If you've never been to the Strip-Till Conference before, well, here's what some past attendees have to say about the experience.
These events, I think are priceless. I really do. I've been to a half a dozen of them. It's my second time coming back here. I hope I can keep. If Lester Media will bring me back, it's fun. I'm going to be that little more odd, throw it back into mainstream ag's face kind of guy, and that's okay. We need to rock the boat a little bit, but it really is a good time. And going to a lot of these conferences, to see guys start, this is their annual meetup. Hey, Bob, saw you last year, been seeing you here for the last 5 years, and them relationships grow, and pretty soon them guys are calling each other like, hey, I'm at this spot, you had that idea, and the farmer-to-farmer networking is phenomenal.
Some of these sessions that are at the same time, we have 5 talks at the same time. I wish I was able to go all 5 of them. We're learning, I'm a student here, I'm learning. If just a good start to see what exactly is happening in the world of no-till and strip-till.
It's my second time being here. I met a couple of people last year, and they've actually turned into be a couple pretty good friends. Kept up with them through the year. They're here again this year. We've already had dinner and drinks last night.
Something that I've been involved with for quite a while now. Every couple of years I come to the Strip-Till Conference. There's people here that I've built relationships in the past that are involved with strip-till. So it's good for me to kind of get educated again, just kind of update on what's going on and seeing the new manufacturers that are in the marketplace from a dealer standpoint, see who's doing what.
We just keep coming back to the conference. It's our 9th year. We came to the second one because we didn't know the first one was happening. So we've kept coming back because we keep learning, and it's like a family reunion with our ETS family and everyone that we've met. So they can't really get rid of us. We just keep coming back.
I love the Strip-Till Conference. I think it's a great source. It's always helpful to realize that we probably understand less than what we know. And the Strip-Till Conference is a great kind of a humbling way to understand that, because you hear different ways of doing things that might work in some areas but not others. And there's some contradictory information, which it all makes sense because it's all for certain sets of conditions. And I think as we understand our soils better and understand our weather and some of the pressures better, we're just going to be better at farming and being more productive. And strip-till is going to be a part of that.
There's a high aptitude when you walk in these doors, a high agricultural aptitude, and you get it from a broad cross-section. There are people that are doing very intriguing things from different geographies, but just because they're doing it in this state doesn't mean that we can't adopt it for our state or at some level. And it's always interesting to hear what other people have tried that worked and things that they tried and didn't work. Sometimes the didn't work lessons are as important as the lessons that did work. Because if they tried it, somebody else thought about it.
This conference and the sister conference, the no-till conference in the wintertime, are probably the best 2 conferences in the country for farmers, agronomists, industry personnel. If you want kind of unbiased, uniform opinions and technology that works, this isn't really a university-funded deal, and you don't really run into the issues you do with the following the money trail or land grant colleges and stuff like that. And it's like, it seems people shy away from this a little bit, but for what you can learn and pick up at a conference like this, you cannot find anywhere else on the planet. These guys do a great job of putting this thing together, and you learn so much with classrooms and roundtable discussions and meeting fellow people from fellow farmers from across the country, and what works here, what works there, what doesn't work here, what doesn't work there.